In this lesson, we'll be learning how to say thank you in Te Reo Māori. When you want to acknowledge someone for their great work, all you need to say is ngā mihi. And if you want to say why you are grateful, you can extend this by saying ngā mihi I tō manaaki. Thanks for your hospitality. Ngā mihi I te reka o te kai. Thanks for the sweetness of the food. Ngā mihi I tō tautoko iau. Thanks for your support of me. Although the following terms are used to greet people, they are also commonly used to thank others as well. Tēnā koe. Kia ora. Now, in case you go to a hui, you might like to acknowledge someone who has spoken before you or led the karakia. We can use the following phrase. Tēnā koe mō I. Thank you for. Tēnā koe mō I whakatau ia mātou I tēnei rā. Thank you for welcoming us to be settled on this day. Tēnā koe mō I whakataki I te karakia. Thank you for leading the karakia. And even when the hui is finished, if you want to get up and acknowledge the organisers for the great work they have done, you can still use the same sentence structure. So, tēnā koe mō I manaaki ia mātou I te rānei. Thank you for looking after us today. Tēnā karawhiua. Give it a go.